Often people want a high-performing workplace. What does that mean? A workplace that's working at its fullest capacity, its fullest potential. But the challenge is not everybody's at the same skill level. So how do you create a high-performing workplace with technology? Well, one of the simplest ways to do this is by creating your own communities of practice. So what is a community of practice? It's around sharing ideas and insights and information. I encourage my clients at all their meetings, when they get together in team meetings, that they ask 3 questions. The first question is, what's been working for you? This is an opportunity to share insights and ideas around how people are using Word or Excel as it relates specifically to your business. The second thing I ask is, what is it that you need help with? What is it that you're struggling with that perhaps when you have a collective group of minds together, more brains are better than one on their own? And the third thing is, what do you want to get better at? Sharing these 3 ideas and insights at a team meeting mean that you're starting to collaborate, knowledge share, and create your own community of practice. And when you do that, you truly are operating as a team and becoming a little more productive with your everyday programs.